So what's up, guys? Gonna do a video on a mystery box that I have here. This is from a guy that I bought off him before. He's on eBay. His name is Squander. So shout out to him. I'll tag all his stuff below. So I've been sitting on this box for about 2 weeks. I got it, I think, a week before Memorial Day. I just haven't opened it. I kind of forgot. Some of the stuff is like mixed mystery box, and some of the stuff I knew about. Some of the stuff I don't know about. So let's get into it. As you could see, it kind of broke from the post office. I'm not sure if it's broken over here. So hopefully everything is in there. I think it's supposed to be 37 pieces. So hopefully all of it's in there. I didn't, I'm usually not the person to be like counting everything that, unless it's like, I bought off of this guy before, so I trust it. If it's someone new, I usually will count. So we got a box. I think this is hats. I can't remember what. Which this box is great for me because I could reuse it to ship other stuff in, and I've been reusing. I don't know if you can see in the video, but this whole stock over here is all boxes that I've been reusing from buying online. I gotta be careful with these scissors because it sliced me a couple days ago. So the first thing is Western Conference champions, Utah Jazz. It's gonna be hard to see some of these. Do my best. This looks like it's brand new. Like, I don't know. It's not new with tags, but it's in really good shape. I think it's a wool blend on the outside. So we got the hat, and we got this other bag. I don't know what this is. Let's see. First thing is cat tea. I'm gonna put all this stuff over here. I have another mystery box sitting there too, but I'll do that for a different day. Got this Nike tee. It's got some staining on the back. I could just see it. So hopefully that'll come out. And then I think it's just tees and jackets from here on out. Got the Andy Griffith tee. I think it's supposed to be like an Andy Warhol like tribute. But yeah, his name is Barney. I remember this show when I was growing up. So that shirt's cool. I think that's an extra large. We got this NASCAR Hooters Racing tee. And the bag is an extra large. A lot of white tees to start. We got Gone with the Wind, the original one. This looks like late 90s. Let's see if it's dated on here. Yeah, it's dated 67. Obviously it's not from 67, so. Got this mountain tee. I don't even know what it is. Oh, it's a skull tee. Hopefully you can see all these. What we got here? We got Coronado with the rainbow stripes. This is also a Velva Sheen tag. It's a cool shirt. We got, this is the one of them that I picked out. The Seattle Washington. This is really thin. It's probably a Screen Stars tag. Let me see. I don't know, it's too faded, but yeah, this is a really thin and light shirt. It's got a little bit of fading on it. This is kind of funny. Enrique Iglesias and Pitbull tour. Just kind of funny. 2014. That's the back. Got this MJT, which is dope. So it looks like a medium or a small. the Magic Johnson tees. Like the brand, not, you know, obviously the player on the shirt. So that's pretty cool. We got, what's this? We got this Minnesota Gophers. I think they're the golden, are they the Golden Gophers? I forget. This is a starter hockey jersey. Small, medium. And we got a US Open tee. Get in the game, that's what it says on the back here. It's got some on the sleeve. I love tennis stuff, so this is awesome. I love tennis stuff. We got, what's this? Vince Gill. Vince Gill, When Love Finds You tour. Wow, he went on a hell of a tour. It's like 30 cities. This is from 95, so we're killing it with the white tees. Let's see, what's this? New York Islanders. This is like a cotton jersey. It's probably from the 80s. Yeah, this is like a felt patch. Nothing on the back there. It's a cool shirt, or a cool jersey. What's this? Red Sox. Oh, Cleveland Indians starter jersey. Nothing on the back. Got this. Is it LA Raiders? Yeah, LA Raiders. It's striped, almost like the shirt that I'm wearing. It's like very subtle. And that's an extra large. What else do we got? Got this Champion tee. It's got some fading and holes on the back. I don't know what the front looks like. Yeah, same on the front. Hopefully the light does it some justice. Fading and sun-dyed stuff is really hot right now for whatever reason. So, and then we got this. Looking at the tag, it looks like 70s. It could be earlier. Just a button up. The tag is Donegal Never Press. Tailored knit shirts. It's pretty cool. It's like a dark blue. It has red sewing on the buttons and the pockets. We're about halfway done, so how are we doing so far? Oh, this is just a plain blue shirt. Nothing too special about it. What else do we got here? Don't assume I cook on a Fruit of the Loom tag. It's kind of funny. And we got, oh, this is cool. Louisville Cardinals. Should get Jack Harlow on this. Just kidding. Probably fit him. It's double-sided. It's kind of weird. It's like really faded. So it looks like it's one-sided, but it's double-sided. And we got On Location, Hawaii. Jake and the Fat Man. I think this was a TV show. So this is a, you know, from the show, On Location in Hawaii. It's 1990 Viacom Productions, filmed in Hawaii. It's cool. I love film stuff. Ooh, yeah, this one's dope. I think it's from '82. Got the boxing tee, Holmes and Coney. I don't actually know this. I know who Holmes is, but I'm not a huge boxing guy. But this shirt is awesome. Yeah, the tag is cool too. I've never seen that tag. Yeah, this shirt is awesome. I wish I could fit this. Holmes and Coney. Coney, I think his name is. This shirt is awesome. Got the Forza. I love Forza stuff. I don't know why. I had a yellow jacket like this a couple years ago. This is a polo though. What's this? Oh, just a plain yellow tee with the pocket. This is a duck head tee. And for people who are wondering why I'm not using gloves, I don't pick with gloves unless I go to the bins. And that's on occasion I usually won't, but depending on how nasty it is and how dirty it looks, I will wear gloves, but 99% of the time I do not wear gloves. So this is a Marlboro shirt, if you couldn't read it. That's like brand new too. Got this burgundy Nike tee. I think this might go in the specials pile for my girlfriend. So she likes Nike stuff, so trust me, I'm Swedish. This is from '84. I love stupid tees like this. I don't know why. It's just stupid. I have a Polish one on the site. He's like looking at his pants. It's kind of funny. What's this? So, oh, okay. Nike. These are like Nike like running or like Nike bike shorts. I think they're more like bike shorts. Elastic. They are made in USA, and I was gonna say maybe they're an extra large. I don't know what size they are. A large. These are cool. Definitely washing those up. I'm gonna wash all this stuff, but definitely washing those no matter what. Arizona State. This is awesome. Love the colors. I love yellow stuff. This is cool. This is an extra large, I think. Also, oh, there's a medium. Also, I learned, fun fact, that on rugby shirts, the reason why all the buttons are not made out of like wood or metal or whatever is because these are intended to be used in rugby, and you don't want to hit somebody with a metal button because that would be like getting hit with brass knuckles, so they made them rubber. Never realized that, so I don't know if I'm slow or maybe I'm a trailblazer. Oh, this is cool. The Animaniacs. I remember this show. If you're born in the 90s, or 80s, you probably remember this. I'm not sure what year this is from. It has some on the back too. '94. Wow. The year I was born. I can't believe that's this old. It's in really good shape for being that old. I thought it would be a lot newer. Then we got the blank Fruit of the Loom crew neck. Nothing on the back. There's a large. And we're probably about 90% done here. Got the orange. I think this is Broncos. Yeah, Broncos. What's this? Got the plain baby blue crew neck. Got, what's this? Brit Sport. Just a yellow zip jacket. Nothing on the back. That's awesome. What we got here? Got Guess jeans. Smells like someone steamed these. Guess cut off sleeve. Yeah, someone cut these. It says a small, but looks a lot bigger than a small. And last but not least, just a blue Mighty Mac. Love the zipper on it though. I don't know if you can see that. Let me walk over there. Look at that. That's awesome. Nothing on the back, just plain jacket. And that's it. All this is going to be on the site. Check out my Instagram, check out my Twitter, 5starvintage.com, at 5starvintage, and maybe I'll do more of these. See ya.